sound of a gun firing, slam a piece of wood on a desk.
The sound effect of a gun cocking is made by opening a briefcase. To make the sound of a mousetrap snapping, snap the clip of a clipboard. To make the sound of a saw cutting, take a cup and put the hole in the bottom and use string and pull it back and forth.
To make the sound of a fire crackling, you crumple wax paper slowly.
To make the sound effect of water boiling, you take a cup, fill it half full, and blow in the cup with a straw.
To make the sound of a door closing, close the door. To make the sound of a sword swinging, you swing a badminton racket. To make the sound of a bone breaking, we snapped a piece of celery in half.
To make the sound effect of glass breaking, we took chimes and laid them on a flat surface and rolled a bottle over top of it. To make the sound of walking upstairs, walk upstairs. To make the sound of walking on gravel, walk on gravel.
Thin on the caterpillar. Gut.
To make the sound effect of a car starting, start a car.
Make the sound of a car locking, lock a car.
To make the sound of a door locking, lock a door.